This is what you've been waiting for, because I am releasing my YouTube Ads Kit, which is my entire YouTube Ads training strategy from A to Z, all for just $27. For years and years, people have asked me to share how our YouTube ad strategy works, and in the past, it's been reserved for only our highest tier clients, spending thousands of dollars to learn our advanced YouTube ad strategies that have generated hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue for our clients and helped me scale my business AdOutreach to over 8 figures, landing number 60 on the Inc. 5000 list of the fastest growing companies in America. And now, for the first time, we are publicly launching our $27 YouTube Ads Kit that gives you everything you need to set up your YouTube ads from A to Z. We walk you through how to script, film, set up, target, and optimize highly profitable YouTube ad campaigns. And because my mission is to help as many people as possible, we're putting all of this together, a full step-by-step 6-hour-long course, all for just $27. I am really excited to announce this because this is something that I have been working on for a long time. This is literally the culmination of my life's work. Now you might be asking yourself, why am I doing this for $27? The reason that I'm doing this is I want to help as many people as possible. And my hope is by helping you and giving and massively over delivering. Some of you may be interested in our services to have us help you set all of this up and help you really scale it to the next level. Or at the very least, you have a fantastic experience. So you go and spread the word and tell other people about the YouTube Ads Kit and how amazing of a deal this is. Either way, I cannot wait for you to learn the same YouTube ad strategies that we've used to scale our business and thousands of other businesses. Now, I have personally spent $7.7 million of my own money on YouTube ads. And by the way, that's my own company's money. That's not ad spend for clients. That's in the millions and millions and millions, tens of millions of dollars. What I'm talking about is my own money that I've spent on my own business on YouTube ads to learn the strategies that I'm teaching you inside of this YouTube Ads Kit. You don't need to spend millions of dollars to learn this strategy like I have. All you need to do is spend the $27 and shortcut your success by learning from all of the mistakes that I've made, all the successes I've had, and everything in between. And that's what I'm really excited to share with you, is our YouTube Ads Kit. We've got a 30-day money-back guarantee on the YouTube Ads Kit, so if you don't find it valuable, then feel free, you can just reach out and you'll get every penny back. However, I am so confident that this is exactly what you need if you're looking to implement the power of YouTube ads. I've got tutorials on YouTube ads, I've got videos talking about how to set things up. That being said, this course is gonna walk you through step-by-step from A to Z, right? It is a step-by-step course, and it's designed for you to be able to follow the entire system. And so I recommend, if you're actually looking to implement YouTube ads, this is a great place to start. Now, of course, we have additional services where we can support you. You have the ability to book a call. We put that in the link of all of our videos. And at the end of this, you have an opportunity to see how we can support you as well. However, either way, the YouTube Ads Kit is designed to be an enclosed process that will help you get the best results from YouTube ads at an incredibly affordable investment that I'm really excited to make accessible for everybody. I'm excited. This is the official announcement of the public launch of our YouTube Ads Kit. You can click that link down below to go ahead and invest just $27 to learn what cost me over $7.7 million to learn myself over years and years of trial and error and building out and finding the best strategies around YouTube ads. You can learn it all today for just $27. So I'm so excited to see you inside of the YouTube Ads Kit. Click that button down below and I will see you there.